We now have conditional logic on forms within the payment elements. This feature update allows users to show or hide the payment element in forms. This is going to be based on conditional logic, enhancing the flexibility of form creation right within the CRM. Let's talk about those benefits. First of all, this is going to enhance your user experience. Your forms can now dynamically display or hide payment fields. This is going to simplify form management because automating the visibility of payment fields is really going to make this simple. It's also going to help you increase conversion rates with a more streamlined and relevant form experience. As far as practical use goes, when creating a membership registration form for your online community, you can now conditionally display the payment section only if the user selects a paid membership option. So let me show you exactly where this is located. First, I'm going to have you go to Sites in the left-hand navigation and then into Forms in the upper navigation. Now, you're either going to create a new form or you're going to edit an existing one. Now, just as an example, we're going to click that plus, then we're going to add a custom field, and then we're going to add the final add in. Now we can add a custom field. Specifically, maybe that's a drop down, as in this example, a single drop down, and then we would hit next. Now you can configure that custom field. So in this, we've got the name. We are going to customize the group, the option name, and the option value. And then we're going to save. So here we have those two choices. And that's what we're giving them the option of. Now you can add the custom field. So go ahead and click on that. Do you want to subscribe? As we see here, this is going to be another area. That is what you had just created, and there's going to be the yes or the no. Now you're going to add the payment element. So you'll click the plus, then you'll go to Sell Products or Collect Payment and drag that where you want it to go. From there, you're going to go ahead and click on the Add Conditional Logic icon, and then we're going to have a pop-up that comes out and we're going to finish those details. So within that pop-up, we're going to go ahead and decide what we're doing. Will we show? Will we hide? What is going to happen next? So an example, if, then show, collect payment, and save. So as I say those things, I want you to look. So there's the if, do you want to subscribe, is equal to yes. If it is yes, that means they're clicking yes. Then is the next box you'll see. Then show, and they can have the actual collect payment in that drop down. And then you would just simply hit save. Now go ahead and view the added collection. You can also edit here or delete. Now go ahead and save and preview so that you can see what that looks like live. This new feature significantly improves the CRM's form customization capabilities, making your form builder and form building process more efficient and much more effective. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.